Night comes. The night owls are here.
Guys, we've been here the whole night and I know you're tired. Tell you what, let's all go back and continue this over barbecue tomorrow at my place. Huh?
But boss, it's Friday. And it's past 12 midnight. How are you going to book the barbecue pit?
As always, Mr. Wong has the solution.
Don't worry, I can do this on my phone now. Barbecue pit. Tomorrow? You can even buy the food.
Aren't you glad to go out of the office?
Oh, boss, you're the best.
boss. You're welcome.
Oh, look at these loins. Oh, so good.
Hey, let the barbecue master take care of it, right?
Mrs. Wong's looking bored. Looks like she has something up her sleeve.
This with an app on an app.
Good idea, boss.
Hey honey, there's something I forgot to tell you. My friends are here. We're having mahjong at the clubhouse. You guys have fun?
Take care.
Bye. Turning the meat.
Okay.
It looks really good.
Smells good.
So good.
Have this meat in my mouth.
Now about the project.